Hey guys, what is up? It is a beautiful day here in Calgary, Alberta. We got the LS400, the brand new Corolla hatch. This is a 2019 model. Actually, my mom's at their garage today. So we have the 4Runner here. I'm like kind of thinking about doing a build update. I got so much going on. So right now I'm actually putting on a Sherpa Princeton rack. I got half of it on. There's gonna be a light bar coming on soon. We got an awning that's going to be coming on. I actually just wrapped this front fairing myself. It turned out really well. If you get close, it gets a little bit less nice, but that's going to be all right. So I'm going to bolt that up. I got this big old light bar in here that's going to go above the fairing. Got to do all the cross members still. And then got some boxes coming soon too. Honestly, so much is happening on this build. I'm also hopefully getting some 1.25" spacers. Going to just bring out these wheels a tiny bit more to get a little bit more offset. I like how it sits, but it would be a little bit more aggressive if it came a little bit more out. So we're going to be doing a body mount chop in the next few weeks. And then, honestly, I think I'm going to be done for a while. This is, it's taking a toll on my bank account, but it's a lot of fun. So yeah, sitting pretty nice. Got some new side marker bulbs coming in because mine are not showing when I'm turning. But other than that, yeah, thinking about doing some Raptor lights too. That'll be a new thing. If you guys have any ideas, if you're like looking at my truck and you're like, you should do that, let me know. If it's bumpers, I'm going to tell you right now, I don't have the money for that. Also, if I do a front bumper, I'd have to get heavier springs in the front. I don't have the money for that. A rear swing out with a fifth wheel would probably be the next thing I do, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm going to get to building this. I'll give you guys some updates as I go, but yeah. It's almost October. It's crazy to think about. I'm excited for the snow, though. This thing was a beast in the mud. Should be good in the snow. So anyways, I'm going to get building this a little bit more and update you guys in a bit. All right, I got the Sherpa all set up here. A little bit frustrating trying to get everything equal, like all the bars. I do not probably have perfect spacing, but yeah, it looks good. A lot of room for some stuff up here, so this should be pretty good. One minor complaint is that all these are like Allen keys. And yeah, they strip pretty easy. Not saying I wasn't careful, but yeah, they're a little bit cheaper bolts. So yeah, apart from that, everything looks good. I'm gonna go do the light bar brackets now and the light bar and try not to fall asleep because I just worked for like 14 days straight here. So yeah, anyways, it's looking pretty nice. All right, just got the Extreme LED XS or X6S, yeah, the slim one. Light bar hooked up. I need to wire it in. The Sherpa light bar brackets are super nice, make it super easy to put this thing on here. I think I got the fairing the height I want it. This thing looks badass. I like it. Should be great. I got a good combo now with the ditch lights too. So yeah, I'm gonna hook it up. The switches it comes with are like the super basic ones that like almost every ditch light comes with. I'll show you the switches here. They're just these suckers, so I'm probably going to buy some like OEM type amber and clear switches and then also do my ditch lights, sorry, I'm tired, into here because I have my ditch light one right here, but I obviously don't want 3 of those little dookies hanging out, so I'm going to figure out how to do this and do it. All right, in the middle of hooking this up, figured I'd show you guys before I... Nice. Before I hook everything up, look at that. Those are the LED clear bulbs. And then we got the ambers. Boop. Boop, ba-doop, boop, boop, ba-doop, boop, boop. Got the ditch lights too. Definitely probably need to upgrade my alternator if I'm going to be running those. But so far, so good. I'm also thinking about just doing some decals on the rack here. Got some basics up there so far. I kind of want to just give my truck more of an interesting vibe. Instead of just being that boring black truck, make it a little bit more personalized. But anyways, I'm going to finish hooking these suckers up. And yeah, it's not going to look good, but it'll be done. I'll be right back. All right, I just got it routed through the firewall here. Similar to my other set of ditch lights here. Ditch lights. These are the light bar on top. I'll show you how the switches look. I'm going to warn you, they're pretty ghetto. Boom! Look at those suckers. It's like a plant. Obviously clears, ambers, ditch lights. One day I'm going to replace them, but for now, I don't know, it's kind of baller. Anyways, I need to clean these wires up and tuck them and make them nice, so I'm going to do that next and then show you guys the finished product, or at least the lights being finished. All right, got the finished product here. Came out really nice. Just did some simple decals on the side. Wanted to make it a little bit more personalized. I also went to Vancouver Island and saw an orca, so that was kind of an inspiration. Look at this. This is great. So yeah, next probably we'll do some Raptor lights. Probably going to bring the wheels out with some spacers. I got some boxes I'm going to put on top. Boop, boop, and then an awning. But I am exhausted, so I'm going to do that next week. Anyways, thanks for watching.